Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how I built an Instagram UI clone inside Angular. So coming back to the project here, this is actually the full directory structure of that Instagram UI clone. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. It's fully customizable, and if I show you the package.json file, we are actually using the latest version of Angular. So you can just see here, it's built inside Angular and we are running this application locally. So this application is listening on localhost 4200. So if I try to open this, this is actually a clone of the Instagram UI homepage. So it has all the sections out there. We have the search field. We have all the accounts page here. This is actually the post here. You can see we have all these buttons out there. The sidebar section, which contains all the accounts here. This is a follow button. Here you can click any of these buttons. This is a profile. This is the overall home page. It's fully responsive. You can just see how it looks on mobile phone as well. So you can directly purchase the source code. The link is given in the description. So after that, you will be redirected to Google Drive. So all the pages are there. You will see that the home page, the footer, the sidebar section, the post header. So this is a clone of the. It's not connected to anything, but you can safely purchase it and then customize it to add a backend to it, to add a database. It will save you a lot of time. So if you're looking forward for building out Instagram in Angular, this is a ready-made clone which is ready. I built it from scratch. Each and every section you will see, this is a search bar, this is the account section, this is actually the post section. You can actually like, comment everything. So this is the actual. So you just need to connect it with any database. You basically get the data, and you can connect it with this user interface clone of Instagram. So the link is given in the description. So everything is customizable. So we are using the Angular framework here for this. We are also using Angular animations for this, for building out this. So we are also using Angular router for specific pages. So this is a header section. So each and every file is customizable. So once you get the source code, it will be very easy for you to deploy this and run this application and add more features to this project. So this is a ready-made project. The link is given in the description. So it's inside Angular here. So as you can see, we are running it on local. All the elements are clickable. So you can just see here. So this, if you're interested in this, guys, the link is given in the description. If you still face any issues, I will definitely help you in deploying and running the application.